For one, we have our delivery needs. You see like Foodpanda and Uber Eats, they deliver all stuff you need. So when they get to our homes, we just go down, pay, and get it. And there's
the chemicals such as any cause any health problem to the woman and the minor to pregnant.
Students for the class of Education Foresight Project event planning were required to make a midterm presentation, and that midterm presentation features the application of futures methodology for exploring select issues. Students in group of 6 presented their analysis using the futures wheel and the futures triangle. This preliminary analysis serves as the foundation for the creations of the thing from the future, which is actually the alternative and possible futures for the Futures Bazaar. The Futures Bazaar is an event at the end of the semester where the students present the creations named the thing from the future for sale.
教社2上的前瞻教育与设计实习课，又称实作课的教学呢，基本上是一个配合专题课程的一个协同教学。那教学目标主要是希望学生在这堂课上能够透过对于图示思考 graphic thinking 这件事情的学习，以及对于环境观察的学习呢，来培养他们对于体验环境、发掘环境问题与潜力的能力，并且能够借由一些视觉化的方法来转化所收集到的环境资讯，来具体化他们的设计思维，使得后续的设计过程能够合理的推演，并且获得一个兼具可行性与创意的提案。
Students of the Education Foresight and Event Planning were taught to use futures methodologies such as the futures wheel and the futures triangle to analyze an emerging issue. They begin with issue identification. Once they have selected an issue they wanted to work on, they get on to analyzing the impacts and consequences of the emerging issue using the futures wheel. The futures wheel is a framework to help peel over the layers of impacts of an emerging issue over time. That is, immediate impacts, the consequences of those impacts in the medium term, and the consequences of that consequences in the longer term. Once they have completed the futures wheel, students begin to think about what kind of future they desire or prefer related to the issue they were exploring. When they have completed the 2 analyses, they went on to think about the future in the year 2050. What are society like in 2050? What kinds of technology will we be using in 2050? How does the environment look and feel like in 2050? Student fills out the explore sheet or mural board, and students use poster to depict how 2050 would look like for them. Students were required to each create a thing from the future that people can use to transform our future related to the issue. Water scarcity, no more water. What kinds of artifacts would they create to solve our problems? These creations, the thing from the future, were exhibited at the Futures Bazaar on the 22nd of December. And also, see our students' work on Instagram, not yet possible.
那后半段呢，就是配合专题课程里面学生的研究主题，他们在发想未来轮跟未来三角中的一些背景研究的基础呢，拿他们来做基础，去收集一些相关的视觉元素，来完成一张未来远景拼贴画。那用这样子的拼贴画呢，来表达学生对于这样的议题，他自己选立的议题的一个未来的想象，或者是他的观点，或是他的期待，甚至是一些反省与批判啊，这样的一个转化的过程呢， 变成一个具体可见的一个视觉表达，然后呢可以放在期末的未来博物馆里面作为展示。